Welcome to the Orbitalum Studio. Today, we are going to learn more about our changed value highlight. When used, the operator can see any changes that have been made to a well-programmed feature or value, as the operating system will highlight that feature or value in yellow before the changes are saved and the prior values are overridden. Let's take a look at how this works on the power supply. In any section of any program, all changes that are made that are not saved will be highlighted in yellow. In this case, on the basic adjustments screen, I will use our scale weld feature, which increases or decreases the amperage across all levels, and increase it by 5%. This change is now yellow, as are the HP and LP currents in all other levels. Once you're finished, press Quick Save and select Yes to save these values to the program. To learn more about this and our other features and products, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.